saying, like, you know, that you've got...
As you can see, she's still in one piece. Aren't you, Lisa? Yes, she is. And, please,
I want you to move a little bit, because I want everyone to say that she's still in one piece.
Yeah?
Yes.
I don't think anyone really doubted that, actually. I've got to be honest with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to realize that I do care, and that I'm always ready with any eventuality in case things go wrong. So here in this first aid box, I have the saw. This saw has 250 extremely sharp
Do you get any kind of sponsorship for this from, like, power tool manufacturers?
Very, very sharp.
That's a sharp, it's a real one, isn't it?
It's a genuine one.
And are you
Are
comfy
you
down
ready?
there? Yeah, she looks comfy.
Ready. Here she goes. That's the hip bone.
I think,
It will be all over the place in a minute.
I think you found her G-spot there. What's going on?
In fact, she'll be twice the girl than before.
That's a good line.
Well, you know and I know that she's not in two separate halves, but
We all believe you.
Lisa doesn't believe us, so
She
let's
doesn't,
show
does
it
she?
to her. Music, please.
How do you feel? You enjoying that? Okay. Well, I should let you know something. Actually, Lisa's one of the people who writes the show, so I figure we should give the audience the choice to decide whether or not we actually put her back together. So we're going to have a quick vote here, and we're